Hey, Zakafet Tutmoon. It is your girl Manny, and welcome back to Inspired Today. So today I have another video for you guys, and it is Valentine's Day look, which is pretty much what I'm wearing right now. If you guys like to see how I created this look, just stay tuned. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it. Comment down below, subscribe, and also let me know what you'd like to see next. And let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by just priming my eyelids, and I just want to start by saying welcome and thank you to all my new subscribers. I truly appreciate it. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And now I'm just going to use the color Muse from the It's My Ray Ray palette as my transitional shade. And now I'm using the middle color from the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, the medium to dark palette. I'm just using that middle color as my next shade on there. And I'm using this reddish brown, dark brown color from the City Mini Sheila palette, and we're just building it all up. And now I'm just, again, priming my lid, just because most of the other shadows got on my lid and I want the color that I'm using to pop, so that's gonna help out with that. Neat trick. So I'm using the color Verve from the Naked 2 palette and just placing that all on like the inner 3/4 of my lid. Now we're just blending everything together, making sure that they all become as one. And now I'm using the Naked 2 black color, which is blackout. I wasn't really liking it, and don't ask me why I was using a dual fiber brush to do that portion, but the color wasn't black enough. So as you're gonna see, I'm gonna go in with the color blackout from the It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm going to intensify the outer V of my eye. And now we're just blending everything, blending. This is kind of like a smoky eye, but not really, because it's only the outer V that's really smoked out, but it does have a lot of blending. And now what I'm doing is just using all the colors that I used on my lid, well, on my eyes, the first 3 colors, and I'm just going to use that on my bottom eyelid and just kind of like smoke it out a bit. Wipe up everything. And now I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer on my under eye to kind of, because it was looking a little bit dark, to kind of conceal it. And also I'm going to put on my dark spots. I have all these acne scars from when my skin was acting up. If you guys know anything that is good for dark spots, please let me know down below. Leave me a comment. And I'm not going with my favorite foundation at the moment, which is my Bobbi Brown. I am truly loving it. You guys are loving it too. I got so many compliments on it, and I just love how it feels. And now we're using the OG concealer. You guys have seen this multiple times, my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And now I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette. And I'm using that middle shade in there to just contour my face. I'm just gonna do a little bit of contouring on the nose. I'm just going to line my bottom waterline with just a regular black eyeliner. And I'm going to take a shadow, one of the shadows from earlier, and just smoke out the bottom and set it. Okay, so this color that I'm using in my inner tear duct, I don't remember what color it is because I used a first color and I didn't like it, so I switched it. So I don't remember what it is. And I didn't feel like wearing lashes, so of course I just made my eyelashes extra long and wispy by just using mascara. But you could go ahead and put on some lashes on this look. And now I am using the MAC Refined Golden bronzer and just bronzing up my skin. I actually had forgotten about this until the last video when I was like purging through makeup, because I never wanted to use it because I thought it was limited edition, and come to find out that it's only the packaging that's limited edition. So now I'm using Becca Opal as my highlighter. I'm just lining my lips, and I use the Wet n Wild dark brown lip liner with the Maybelline Hot Sand 530 matte lipstick, and I also topped it off with a Tarte lip gloss that I had lying around. I don't know what color it is, it doesn't have a name. And as you guys are about to see, I forgot to film an outro. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys next time.